Why is the northwestern coniferous forest important? First of all, conifers survive drought and short growing seasons better than trees that shed the leaves, which makes them well suited to the growing conditions of the Rocky Mountain West. These trees produce a steady amount of oxygen into the atmosphere through photosynthesis, and they keep the soil in place with their roots. They provide most of the lumber used for homes, furniture, and the pulp wood for various manufactured wood products. Many species of the Wyoming wildlife use the habitat provided by the coniferous forest. Also, people like forests too. It's a great place to take a sense of peace and serenity, to play, spend time with your family. It's such a great biome, we actually need to take care of it.
Abiotic factors such as sunlight, precipitation, and temperature make a big contribution in this biome. Organisms that live here change all over the year. These abiotic factors make the conditions ideal for some kind of organisms and suitable enough for them so they can grow, reproduce, and survive.
So now we're going to talk about the temperature and the rain patterns in the northwestern coniferous forest. So the temperature ranges from -12 centigrades to 15 centigrades. The -12 centigrades is the lowest in winter, which corresponds to the month of January, and the 15 centigrades is for summer, which corresponds to the month of July, so it's the highest. All the temperature in the northwestern coniferous forest is between these two temperatures. Now, the rain precipitation pattern. So, in the northwestern coniferous forest, we have a highest of precipitation in the month of July with 60 millimeters of rain, and we have a lowest in January with 20 millimeters of rain. These patterns correspond to the area and to similar patterns all around the world.
I'm going to talk about the plants and animals in the northwestern coniferous forest. Even though the diversity in the northwestern coniferous forest is not very wide, it has some unique species such as bobcats, owls, mooses, some types of fungus, and conifers, which are a type of tree. The three most common tree species in it are the black spruce, the larch or tamarack, and the white spruce. The balsam fir is a dominant tree species in the east half of the biome, as well as the Labrador tea, leaf tea, sweetgale, alder, and various species of blueberry. Bears, wolves, some types of squirrels, birds are also some types of animals that live in the northwestern coniferous forest.
This biome is found nowhere in Mexico. However, it's extending completely across Canada and into interior Alaska.
What pollutants are involved in the biome? Acid rain is one of the biggest threats to the coniferous forest. It is mostly caused by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels powered by plants, factories, and vehicles. Acid rain weakens the trees by damaging their leaves. Another big threat to the coniferous forest is deforestation. Clear-cutting is extensive harvesting of trees. The biggest effect of deforestation is the loss of habitat for the organisms. And finally, global warming makes organisms struggle to adapt and survive in their environment.
There are 5 species in danger of extinction in the northwestern coniferous forest. One of them is the grizzly bear. They are in danger because in Alaska, grizzlies are game animals with regulations. There is also the spotted owl. They are greatly affected by clear-out logging and are often found in the middle of the controversy between loggers and environmentalists. There is also the woodland caribou. Threats for the caribou include industrial development, logging, oil and gas, exploration, mining, recreational activities, and tourism. There is also the Siberian tiger and the Siberian crane. The Siberian tiger is endangered of extinction by many reasons. Reasons leading to Siberian tiger being endangered are poaching and habitat loss caused by logging and development. And the Siberian crane is affected mainly by the hunting on its migratory routes to India and destruction of wetlands have made Siberian crane endangered.